Alex, I heard someone say we can take it as a given that prices will go up, but I was confused. Take it? Given? Take what?
Good question, Lina. This phrase can sound strange if you translate it word for word.
Yes, I thought maybe someone was giving me something.
Not exactly. In English, take it as a given means we accept something as true, obvious, or already understood.
Ah, so it means we don't need to discuss it again?
Exactly. And today, we'll learn how to use this phrase naturally in English conversation. Today's speaking goal is simple. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to use take it as a given when you want to say that something is accepted as true or expected.
So I can use it when something is obvious.
Yes. For example, if you work in a company, you might say, we can take it as a given that the deadline is important.
That means everyone already understands the deadline is important?
Correct. You don't need to explain it again. You accept it as a basic fact. Our main phrase today is take it as a given. This means we accept something as true. We assume it is true. We do not need more proof or discussion.
Can you say the phrase slowly?
Sure. Take it as a given.
Take it as a given.
Great. Now let's look at the structure. You can say, take it as a given that plus a sentence. For example, take it as a given that learning English takes time.
So the full sentence after that explains the thing we accept as true.
Exactly.
Alex, do you think we need to remind the team that this project is urgent?
I think we can take it as a given that everyone knows it's urgent.
Really? Why?
Because the client already moved the deadline earlier and we talked about it in yesterday's meeting.
Okay, so we don't need to explain that again.
Right. Instead, we should focus on what each person needs to finish today.
Got it. We can take it as a given that the project is urgent and now we need a clear plan.
Perfect use of the phrase. Let's break down the meaning. When we say take it as a given, we mean something is already accepted. For example, we can take it as a given that she is qualified for the job.
This means we accept that she is qualified. We do not need to argue about that point.
So it is like saying, let's agree this is true.
Yes, very close. But take it as a given sounds a little more formal and thoughtful.
Is it common in business English?
Yes, it is often used in meetings, presentations, discussions, planning, and serious conversations.
Can I use it in daily conversation too?
Yes, but it may sound a little formal. For casual English, you might say, let's assume, or we all know. For example, casual, let's assume the traffic will be bad. More formal, we can take it as a given that the traffic will be bad.
Example 1, work. We can take it as a given that the client wants the project finished on time.
That means the client wanting the project on time is obvious. We do not need to discuss whether the client cares about the deadline. So after that, we can focus on the real question, how to finish the project.
Exactly. Let me try. We can take it as a given that good communication is important in a team.
Excellent. That sounds natural.
Example 2, learning English. You should take it as a given that making mistakes is part of learning.
I like that one.
It means you should accept that mistakes will happen. They're normal.
So learners should not feel embarrassed.
Exactly. If you want to speak English better, you need practice. And during practice, mistakes are normal.
Let me say it. I take it as a given that I will make mistakes when I practice speaking English.
Very good. That sentence is honest and natural. Example 3, daily life. If we leave at 5 p.m., we can take it as a given that there will be traffic.
That means traffic is expected.
Yes, especially if 5 p.m. is rush hour.
So we can say, we can take it as a given that restaurants will be crowded on Friday night.
Perfect. That means it is very likely and expected.
This phrase is useful when we want to sound logical.
Exactly. It helps you sound calm, clear, and confident.
Alex, can I say we take it as given that he is busy?
Good question. Some people may say take it as given, but the safer and more common phrase for learners is take it as a given. Remember the article, a.
So I should say, we can take it as a given that he is busy.
Correct. Another mistake is using it for something uncertain or just your personal opinion. For example, wrong, we can take it as a given that my idea is the best.
That sounds too strong.
Yes, unless everyone truly accepts it as true, don't use this phrase. Use it when something is generally accepted, obvious, expected, or already agreed.
So it should be based on strong confidence, not just personal feeling.
Exactly. Here are 3 useful sentence patterns. Pattern 1. We can take it as a given that plus a sentence. Example, we can take it as a given that customers want good service.
Pattern 2. I take it as a given that plus a sentence. Example, I take it as a given that learning a language requires practice.
Pattern 3. Don't take it as a given that plus a sentence. Example, don't take it as a given that everyone understands your instructions.
Oh, that last one means don't assume something is true.
Exactly. It's a warning. You're saying, be careful, maybe this is not true.
So in a meeting, I can say, don't take it as a given that the customer knows how to use the app.
Excellent example. Now it's your turn. Complete this sentence. We can take it as a given that blank. Think about something that is usually true. For example, we can take it as a given that learning English takes time.
Now try this one. Don't take it as a given that blank. For example, don't take it as a given that your meaning is clear.
Pause the video and say 2 sentences out loud. One sentence with we can take it as a given that, and one sentence with don't take it as a given that.
Speak slowly. Focus on pronunciation and meaning.
Ready? Your turn.
Here are some sample answers. We can take it as a given that practice improves speaking.
Great. We can take it as a given that good teamwork needs communication.
Nice. Don't take it as a given that your meaning is clear.
Very useful. Don't take it as a given that every English word translates directly into your language.
That is so true.
Yes, some phrases, like today's phrase, need meaning, not direct translation. Let's review. Today's phrase is take it as a given. It means to accept something as true, obvious, expected, or already understood.
We can say, we can take it as a given that learning English takes time.
Or, don't take it as a given that everyone understands your explanation.
Remember, this phrase is useful in work, study, meetings, planning, and serious conversations.
And don't forget the common structure. Take it as a given that plus a sentence.
Now tell us in the comments, what is one thing you can take as a given about learning English?
For example, you can write, I take it as a given that daily practice helps me improve.
If this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe to FluentMindee.
We'll help you learn natural English expressions, improve your speaking, and sound more confident in real conversations.
Thanks for watching.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye.